Hi, so my name is Latika Bhandari. My daughter's name is Kaira Bhandari. So she's been with 21K since last year. That's in sixth grade. Now she's in the seventh grade. And for me, this has been the best blessing that I could give my child. Uh, Kaira is basically a national level table tennis player. She's been learning table tennis for now 3 4 years, and post that we had this decision to be done, which is very maverick. Initially, I myself was a little skeptical. My husband was very much for it. He was like, since sports was something that we always wanted to encourage with Kaira, or any form which was not just a rote learning kind of setup, we thought this option is something which we could try out. And I also had the whole issue related to how the social interaction skills would be developed. Kyra being a very extrovert kid, she's always had friends in the offline school that she was, and would participate in a lot of drama and um, uh, inter-school elocution competitions, and various other activities which usually a typical school offers. So that made me wonder how much of the child is going to really have all of these kind of an exposure when I thought of taking up with 21K. I had a lot of discussions back and forth, even with the person who was front ending with me from representing 21K. Eventually, we decided, let's give it a shot and see. And I think there was absolutely the best decision that we had taken. But reason being, when we were in the regular schools, they how much ever they say that they are very supportive with all of the other personality development for a child, uh, not their mistake either, because it's not possible, because since it's a physical school, the child has to be present in the school, otherwise how the learning is going to happen. But for her, with her ranking tournaments for which she had to go, and there was so much of travel, and she was missing her physical school, and I used to keep running around with trying to figure out and accumulate all the notes and go around begging teachers, parents. It was not turning out easy, and luckily Kyra has been pretty good academically too. And I was finding it very difficult how to manage when she's away in her tournaments and traveling, how to manage her school. Luckily, when this 21K happened to us, we realized that it makes it so much flexible, because she could plug in from anywhere she wants. There are times when she's waiting in the stadiums that she has logged in, and she has okay, I can take my session now. She's taken her sessions from those places too. There's so much that she's abreast with what is happening in her class, because there are recording sessions which are regularly available. And the beauty was, the teachers, and I'm not just saying it because I want to just kind of showcase and be the one trying to advertise 21K here, but I absolutely vouch for it, for the main reason being there have been so much of remedial classes. And this, I don't think I've ever once asked it from any of the teachers. We were more like relying on the um, recording sessions. But most of our class teachers, I mean the subject teachers, would take time out with Kyra by themselves, and on weekends or wherever, afternoon sessions, which she was in the morning session. So during the afternoon, whenever they would have their time, they would pick up sessions with her, so that she's able to take all the conceptual learnings that she can have. And yeah, I mean, in even with all of, she was extensively traveling. With that too, she's having an A plus grade, that even for this year, and her academics absolutely didn't drop, which was brilliant. Having said that, we are based out of Dehradun primarily, and we had to kind of move to Lucknow, me and Kyra. I mean, we had to split our family separate away from her father, mainly because her Indian coach, the national level coach who is training Kaira right now, is based out of Lucknow. So that was again, possible only because of 21K. Because had it been a regular schooling, it is impossible that we could have moved out of Dehradun and managed her studies. So no element of breakage in her studies has been what that's one major takeaway. If any of the parents would like to kind of enhance other skills for their child, and other aspect which I felt was, which typically through the COVID, with most parents would probably feel that there's a lot of screen based learning. But I feel, for the amount of other screen that the kids watch, this didn't see so much of a problem. We kind of got herself a bigger screen so that she can have it at a distance. So all of these kind of workarounds also turned out very positive. Like most parents would feel that it can affect the eyes, and because of these extra strain that it gives when you're doing a screen kind of a learning. But that too wasn't something which worked against us, because of we putting a larger screen, that also helped. So more or less, I think it's been an amazing experience. She's basically in Cambridge board, IGSC board, and I thought whether um, being in an online based learning will, because it's a very applied kind of learning with Cambridge. So that too, I was a little worried whether uh, online 21K learning would be possible, that she can have that kind of a learning, and it did. There was no hampering of the conceptual learnings that she had. So I say that for me, it's been an experience which I would definitely recommend to most of the parents, because these days, just a typical, how would I say, the school going kind of setup is not enough for most kids, and you would want to kind of explore their other personalities, and this for sure helped us.